You good?
2:10 this afternoon, a single-engine plane was taken off from Whiteman Airport, had engine failure. The plane went down moments later on the tracks at San Fernando and Osborne. LAPD Foothill officers were in close proximity. They responded immediately. Right when they saw that the airplane was on the tracks, they put in a request for all train movement to be stopped on the tracks. Minutes later, they heard a train horn and then saw the train coming down the tracks. The officers made the decision, which most likely saved the pilot's life, to remove the pilot from the plane, and he was removed moments before the train hit the plane. So I was able to watch the body-worn video and seeing the officers, their composure, especially with the train barreling down them on the tracks, to make that decision to remove the pilot, without a doubt, save that pilot's life. The officers maintained their composure, and they did an amazing job.